As the on-demand manufacturing industry continues to evolve, online businesses like yours must keep up with the latest e-commerce solutions and technology to achieve profit growth. Take a look at the latest Printful updates and learn how to continue growing your business. A limited product catalog can stop your business from creating new revenue. With the new unlimited color embroidery technique, you can create striking product designs for your brand's catalog with almost no thread color limitations. You can expand your product selection with this new technique and create new profit opportunities. ColorReal's instant thread coloring unit dyes a single thread and then it passes through the embroidery machine. The coloring happens without any breaks or needlehead switching. Offer your customers quality merch with unique and unlimited color embroidery creations. With Printful's new lower prices for DTG products, you can get more sales by offering competitive prices. We've lowered the prices for our most popular DTG bestsellers. These are items that everyone loves, with thousands of orders being fulfilled by Printful every day. Reduced prices will keep your current customers returning and attract new customers that may have been deterred by the cost. If you're not selling DTG items with your custom designs yet, this is your sign to start. T-shirts, long sleeve shirts, hoodies, and our best-selling Eco Tote Bag. Check out the link in the description to find all the direct-to-garment items we've lowered prices for. Which DTG or unlimited color embroidery products are you most excited to sell? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and never miss the content that'll help you succeed on your e-commerce journey. See you in the next video.